Hello everyone. Today I want to show you some tips on how to cut the sugar for making gingerbread house during those holidays. And anyways, instead of the white sugar, icing sugar, and all those candies, I substituted those for with dark chocolate, fruits, dried fruits, and nuts and coconut. Anyways, let me show you the house that I did. This is one house, and I melted a dark chocolate that we see at at the bulk store, and that's what I use to glue all the fruits and nuts on the house and gluing all the house parts together. It makes it a little bit more nutritious compared to candies. Candies has it's all sugar and it has no nutritious value to it. At least the dried fruits and nuts has some nutritious value to it, and the dark chocolate at least it's not as bad as white icing sugar. And here's another one that I did. I used dark chocolate, and the white you see it's coconut and almonds, dried almonds, and dried bananas, and dried cranberries and nuts. So it's still beautiful. It's colorful, you know. And when you are making your cookie dough, you don't have to put all the sugar that says in the recipe. You can actually put half of that sugar and it will still be fine. And another tip too, that sugar that they're asking for, it's pretty much artificial sugar, man-made, with all kinds of stuff that is not good for the health. So you can substitute that kind of sugar with cane sugar. Cane sugar is a little bit better for the health, or use maple syrup instead, and just use half of the amount. And anyways, for today, I just want to share those tips with you for improving the health, your health and the health of your kids. And it's good to start kids when they're young, to introduce them alternative ways of sugar. You know, we don't have to introduce them all to the candies and stuff like that. We can introduce them to healthy habits like fruits and nuts. And every action that we take, every step we take for a better, nutritious and a better life, it makes a big difference in our health. And anyways, if you have any question for me, message me and I will do my best to answer your question. And I wish every one of you bright blessings.